Well, if they weren't going to let us use the runway, they're certainly not going to let us use the runway now. When they go, who the f put them big black lines over the bloody letters on the runway?
So guys, in today's video we are in Enniskillen, Northern Ireland. This is where, well, close to where we're from. We have my M3, where someone else is driving right now. We have Ryan's M3, and we have an RS7. So we're going to be filming some things from Ispiri wheels. So yeah, let's check it out. Robbie has decided that the quick release bolts for the Ronin shouldn't be kept in the Ronin box, but in a different box.
I'll go before we get happening on it, if you're going to have to go and do.
So there's a couple things going on right now. First and foremost, this is a stand. It's not made for this Ronin, it's made for a Ronin M. So I was like, oh, we'll bring this one, we'll bring this down. What do you see the bottom of this whenever I put it on the stand? So yeah, that's good. Really like that. Do a selfie mode. Here, Callum, by the way, is our. Should we do a proper introduction? Like, do you? Oh, actually, we have done an introduction. Like, you edit all the vlogs. You are Big C, also known as Callum, but you're not allowed to use that full name when you refer to you as Big C.
The front driver's side.
Whereabouts is it?
Just at the top of the tyre.
No, not really. Did you shine a light in or something?
Why, what's up with it?
I think I've got a bulge in my throat.
You've got a what?
A bulge. Oh. Is that it there, the tiny one? Like here?
Ah,
Oh, yeah,
there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not a bad bulge.
Still a bulge?
I've seen a bad bulge before, boy.
What's called?
It's not like the worst in the world, like. No. Should have seen the bulge before I had it. Oh, ho, ho.
I've got 2 tyres in the one, huh?
So this is how we have came to the solution of basically not the correct bolt, because it's not quite tight enough. It vibrates a little bit, so we've used bongo ties.
These bongo ties are legit.
Yeah, if you're into filming, there's a couple of things you should have. One of them is bongo ties. Came to another solution here because of the Ronin M stand that is too small. I kind of remembered there now that you actually can use these on light stands, so there we go. So there we go.
Things that are heavy. This tripod.
What's happening now then?
I'm just doing a couple of wee close-up static shots here. They build the atmosphere.
We have a look at them.
I'm an atmosphere builder. Yeah, here you go, look. Shooting some S-Log 2. Okay. All the information's here. ISO 4000, that's probably a bit much. We'll just turn that down.
He put a stone in your side skirt.
Don't hit me right in the head.
Alright, it's party.
Good day to be on the airfield. Not much going on right here, is there?
We're doing a little bit of static, so you guys set up there, it's fine, yeah. So our friend Gary, you may remember Gary from Districts. He's into all his custom motorbikes, but he also shoots movies. So he brought his chase car down, and we're going to do some epic rollers. James is also doing some little detail shots. Look at that. Sporty. So he's just like, I'm trying to get like it to be absolutely perfect with no bumps, and it's proving to be a little bit difficult.
Which car do you like better?
Which car do I hit less?
Correct.
Yeah. Pretty much ready to go, just adjusting this. We'll have the cars just doing steady speed and we'll move around them. I think, guys, that's probably best for you.
There you go, not move this.
Where is it?
Another one is there up the top. Next Randy one.
Okay.
All I ever do is we're all good.
Right.
Jump in.
Shall I get another side?
Probably back pan, right? So if you leave it, you probably have to. It's easy with the joystick anyway.
Oh, that car looks really good with that camera. Oh, that is good.
The focus is our
The
problem.
angle's already brilliant.
Right, okay, if you guys want to line up behind us, please, and what we will do is we'll set a distance. Probably about a car and a half length distance to start with, and then I'll tell you if you want to reverse.
Come on, lads.
Okay, try and catch up, guys, try and catch up.
You did tell them 40 miles an hour, didn't you?
I told Ryan 40.
Catch up, guys, please, catch up, catch up, catch up, catch up, catch up. Closer, 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 closer.
Yeah, that's good. That's a lot better, yeah.
Stop, 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 stop. It just went into
Are we cheating now? There you go.
Yeah.
It's actually easier to get going up to 40 and then bang up the up.
All of that is wicked.
You okay there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Closer if you slow down, slam on the brakes there just to kind of roller coaster. Guys, you keep going past us, keep going past us, keep going past us. Stefan, go slightly in front. Stefan, go slightly in front. And then
Tell me when you want to pull it.
you stop. Stop, stop, stop.
Close.
We have one there anyway.
Yeah, it's a bit tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a bit tight.
It's too tight.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, that's cool.
Keep going. Oh, you want to go in a circle around them?
Yeah, like that. So I'm getting the front of the car, see like that?
Just cropping out with the bottom.
And I'll work on that little bit of...
That is really good. To
That's
show.
what we're going to try and do.
That is
What,
really
when they're moving?
Yeah, but can we do it slow?
Yeah, of course.
with the sunset.
Go in front, guys. Go in front, guys.
Right, camera. What's going on?
We'd like to set up a bit better. I have to say we're sort of struggling there, aren't we, with stuff, but we could smooth it out a lot more, couldn't we?
Can you sing?
You're not going to have another opportunity of getting a runway, mate, go as fast as Kyle will go.
You go first, don't you?
Yeah,
You're going to get another chance, mate.
Are you going to, when you sync those two SSDs, is there anything we need to do? I think that's basically it, unless you want to watch me do a blip.
I feel like I should be in it for the blip.
Alright, okay, let's do it.
Lit.
Your tires are coming to pieces. There's a bit of your tire on the bottom.
I wonder if I still have tires.
I think your tire's gone. Whoops.
Got it all, mate.
What about the bit that's on his bonnet?
Tyre's just disintegrated.
Whoops.
Are you gonna drive home to Belfast?
Aye, well, I'll need to take it easy home there.
What? Mission?
Oh fuck. There's like a whole fucking bit missing.
What? It was only like 2 minutes worth of fun, like. I was expecting them to last a bit long.
You get heating cups to just delaminate.
Just disappear off it.
Video there, like.
We'll get it'd be good to get him filming it on that rig. I think it'd be able to keep up though with camera.
Should have just burned them tires out there or what?
I think that is those tires burnt out.
Just not get her off the runway.
You collect most of it there and we'll give it back to him. Do you have any glue?
On leather.
Might keep that as a souvenir. That is like the tread. Like, you know, there's a tread line in that, and then there's just this.
Well, if they weren't going to let us use the runway, they're certainly not going to let us use the runway now. When they go, who the fuck has put them big black lines over the bloody letters on the runway? Because Adam decides to do a donut right over it.
So it's actually probably 3-4 months later after we filmed the rest of the vlog. We never recorded any audio when we were doing the Ispiri whale ship. So today we've got my M3 and we're gonna do some audio. Okay, so what we have done, we've already rigged it up. Have a look inside.
Got Rob and we got James, so you know things are literally getting real. Okay.
Jeez, that blew my earlobes. So inside, oh, it's raining. Right, inside here, this is what we've got going on. I'm gonna do this quick because it's raining. But we have a lav mic, so a wireless lav mic right here, and another one right here. Cable runs the whole way back. We've taped it up. Look at that, on time. Open the door to in here. Shows it. Lav mic. Turn that terrible song off. And then it runs. Tell me this, guys, in the comments. Does anyone have one song that plays every time you turn your car on? Mine is what is it? Jason Status. Terrible. Okay, so then we've got two lav mics on the FS7. Rob's gonna have a wee monitor at it and play with the settings on the left. Yes, sir. We've got this cable here running at the back, tape along the outside to shebang to this bad boy, which is a Rode. I have no idea what the name of it is, but it's a Rode like a projectional microphone, and it's running XLR, Phantom 48 power, Phantom 48 power. I have no idea how to say that properly. To our James in the back, who's got a Zoom H4N. I keep getting these names wrong. Should have practiced them first. And I've got
recorder.
I've got these two boys roped in to monitor my audio levels, so if anything goes wrong, it's all in their heads.
It'll be loud.
I think we've got enough now. We'll head back.
Like you should hear that sounds in my head.
In my head.
My ears. Whatever. I'm sure the Harbour Police are going to hear about this.
Yeah, yeah, so just we're back in the office now. We never show this part of like any behind the scenes, but this is us editing. So this is the Ispiri Wheels video, little preview. This sequence here with like the cars that launch. That's it without any car sound. So we're gonna add all our car sound into this bit of the video.